Good afternoon. This is Balloon45. Today, I'll be taking my camcorder out on the road. Yeah, the new one. I managed to get my hands on a small tripod, and I mounted it to the dashboard using Velcro. So it's going to be a steady shot, because now the camera won't move sideways when I make my turns now. But I guess that must have added realism. So as you know, this is Friday. Excuse me. Okay, well, as we know, this is Friday. Till the weekend, and I'm working until midnight at my new locale. From 3:30 to midnight. And it's a longer drive than what I was used to going to the old place. Okay. So that's about it for now. This is Balloon45. Good day, good luck, happy inflations, everybody. Oh, and Katie Cat in the Hat, I love your videos. I know the pop is part of your act. I guess that's why I like the videos, even though it goes against my nature of being a non-popper and all. Well, what can I say? More power to you, Katie, if that's how the name's pronounced. Take care. Goodbye for now.